Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Critical chain project management successfully solves the twin problems of taming uncertainty and operating within resource constraints. Not only can it dramatically improve project lead times, but it also delivers extraordinary levels of due date performance. Indeed, it can be rationally argued and empirically proven that critical chain project management delivers more projects in less time, on time, every time. But, and there's always a but, what's the catch? Anyone involved in making the change to critical chain might reasonably ask, what use is it if everything just gets faster and faster? You know, it might be good for your organization, but what does it mean for you? Are you going to continue being the hamster, but just in a faster spinning cage? Pause for a moment and think about why you joined your current organization. Pause for another moment and reflect on an occasion during your employment when you were either individually or in your team did something genuinely remarkable. Can you bring that experience to mind? How does it make you feel? Before you embark on a critical chain adventure, be sure to first unchain your heart. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.